gonna do the high voices.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name's Jack Donaldson. This is Adam Graham. We're gonna do the high voice, the show for you, okay? Just watch. Adam, you're on.
No fair.
There, when Adam's blue, yeah, you can have some line. But you got, there's the hole, it's right there. Okay? Be very careful.
I don't see it.
We don't want, here. I don't want to lose any of it, Adam's popped, okay? Hold it down there, Adam, okay? You got it, bud. No, right there. Just, it's coming, okay? We're all right, okay?
Stick your mouth
Where
on
is
it.
it?
Just stick your mouth on there and then. So. Okay, you're done.
Alright, guys. I didn't do it. Alright, did I?
Wait. Okay, watch.
Alright.
You go. Where's the hole? Okay.
Hi, guys. I'm Jack Donaldson. This is Adam Graham. We're ready. Okay, I'm Bert Simpson. Who's in?
Okay, so
That stays pretty good. It's right. Okay, look where it is. Look where it is. You see? Right there. That's where it is. Right there.
Alright.
Suck it in. Go in here.
Okay.
Your turn. Okay. Suck it in. Suck it in. Just go. Yeah, like that. Okay, good job.
Alright. How's it going? It's not working, dude.
God dang it. It's all. Okay, ready. Because you don't find the hole. Yeah.
You gonna let Adam do it?
Alright, I got the last. Okay, Adam's gonna get the last bit. He's gonna do it, okay? Look. Okay, you put your mouth. Where's the hole? Where's the hole?
I saw it.
Where's the mouth go? Okay, where?
It's right there. Okay, now, like,
Yeah.
yeah, okay, put your mouth on it and just go. Squeeze it into your mouth. Okay, squeeze it
Here.
there.
I got.
Okay, now put your right on that mouth hole. Just squeeze it and suck it all in. Finish it. Talk like this, regular. Go.
What?
Go, just talk.
It didn't work.
What you got?
Mine popped. Concerned it.
Popped weasel.
Popped about that.
Since yours popped, we do a song.